Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Krusteaz honey cornbread batter. We've got everything that you need assembled here. You're of course going to need your package of batter, a pan to bake this in. They recommend an 8x8 pan or a standard muffin pan. I have a 9x9 pan today. You're going to need something to grease your pan with, and some scissors to open up your package with, and toothpicks to check and make sure everything is done in the end. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I have already prepared my pan with a foil liner because it makes it so much easier to take the entire portion of cornbread out and then cut it up without having to wrestle it out of the pan. So I just lined it with foil, and then I'm also going to prepare it with some olive oil spray. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next, we're just going to take our batter, and I would recommend you just knead this a little bit, kind of swirl it around. That way everything is incorporated and well mixed, and then you can just cut the corner off and pour it into your pan. You should be preparing this from a refrigerated, thawed state. If you have frozen this, you need to make sure that you thaw it completely before putting it into your pan. Now that we've got that in our pan, just go ahead and give it a little jiggle to make sure everything is evened out. And then we are going to pop this into the oven for 13 to 17 minutes if you are doing standard muffins, and 16 to 20 minutes if you are doing an 8x8 inch pan. If, like me, you are doing a 9x9 inch pan, we're gonna wing it a little bit, and I'm gonna check mine at about 12 minutes and see how we're looking. I will come back and let you know exactly how long this takes in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, guys, we are back. It has been 14 minutes in my oven in a 9x9 inch pan, and this looks like it's ready to go. It's springy in the middle, but we're just gonna go ahead and take a toothpick and check and make sure. And the toothpick did come out clean. That is what we are looking for. So here is our completed Krusteaz honey cornbread batter. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.